This feature is relating to the logging out functionality. As you can see by default, what you see is a short image of the freelancer or user profile and a logout button. Now, for some marketplaces, this idea of the logout functionality is redundant in terms of having a menu with just one item. So instead, what you can choose to do is you can disable this feature and click on the Logout Avatar. If you select this feature, the avatar will disappear. So let's save that and you'll be able to see what it looks like. Instead, it's replaced with a simple button that says Logout. So again, this is up to you whether you want to display a single button or have some sort of more catchy profile image displayed there.